How to fix your life and make it worth living. Number 1. Understand your self-limiting beliefs. Identify what is stopping you from changing your life. Write down your limiting beliefs and thoughts that run through your mind every day. Disturbing thoughts such as, "I'm not good enough," or "I don't deserve happiness," are the main hurdle which are holding you back, because they influence our actions and affect your decisions and behaviors. Identify and become aware of your self-limiting beliefs and replace them with more positives. 1. Number 2. Start with small changes. If you want to fix your life, first break free from your current routine and habits. Start by making small changes and keep it simple. For example, if you want to lose weight, limit junk food. Change might be difficult in the start, but don't panic. Build confidence, discipline, and self-esteem. Once you begin to implement change, you will feel better, healthier, and more productive. Number 3. Focus and priorities. We have a million thoughts in our minds every day, but all of them are not important. So, it is essential to focus on the important things, otherwise, you will waste your time and energy worrying about unimportant matters. Prioritizing your life is super important to fix your life. You may have issues related to work, health, money, or relationships. You cannot do it all at once. Prioritizing your life will help you to manage time more wisely, and you will see results quickly. Number 4. Stop being lazy. You may want to improve your lifestyle, but your biggest enemy is procrastination. If you have a task in hand, but you delay it, you will never get around to it. Write down your reasons why you procrastinate. Say no to unimportant matters, and practice mindfulness. Break a large project in smaller tasks, set deadlines, and record your progress. Number 5. Mentally prepare for setbacks. It is not easy to achieve your goals and dreams. Success is not that easy, and failure is a vital part of success. Accept this reality and be prepared for setbacks along the way. In this way, you will not be disheartened by failures. You may be frustrated, but you will not give up. Learn from your mistakes and move on. Work harder, do better, and achieve your goals. Number 6. Let go of the past. Our brain tends to remember negative experiences over positive ones. But the past should not dictate your life. You have to learn to let go of your past. Do mental exercises, practice mindfulness, and develop a positive mindset. Focus on today, rely on your strengths, and move forward. Number 7. Get support. If you are struggling to deal with your issues, it is better to get help from someone. He might be a friend or specialized mentor. They will teach you a valuable lesson to live a fulfilling life. A life coach can help you to deal with depression and mental health issues. He can show you ways to take action and guide you to achieve your dream. Don't think you are alone. Get support from someone, overcome your obstacles, and change your life. Number 8. Remember, change is not bad. Change is inevitable and is part of life. Things change all the time, and change is not always bad. You may not be able to decide whether change is good or bad. Analyze the situation from a broader perspective, with less of an emotional viewpoint, and do what is necessary to fix your life. Number 9. Take responsibility of your life. You own your life, and you are 100% responsible for your life. Don't blame others, and don't expect from others to fix your life. Don't make excuses, and take actions to improve your life. Analyze your life to see what is wrong in your life before it is too late. Accept your responsibility, become independent, and achieve a sense of self-accomplishment. Energize yourself, empower yourself, and take a grip of your life.